I'm just gonna give you some walkthrough of the lesson for today. As soon as I figure out how to switch over, there we go. Okay, cool. So here's what your goal today is to be able to make some polygons. And on this very first screen that you should see, you're gonna see 3 drop downs: polygons from coordinates, polygons from lists, and polygons from tables. So just so y'all know, you don't have to do anything on the screen. I just want you to kind of like see it. Polygons from coordinates, that's the green one right here. And notice basically what it is it's got those 3 coordinates. Those are the points. So it's going from -8, -6, that's this point right here, to -4, 3, so it's connecting to that point right there, to the 0, 0, and then it comes back around, and that will make yourself a polygon. That's how you do it from coordinates. Polygons from lists, I'm just going to turn this back on. This guy over here is polygon from a list. Sorry. This is a polygon from a list. And in this case, it's a little bit different. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and actually all of that is the x coordinates, right? X coordinate of 1, 2, 3, 4. So like 1, 2, 3, 4. And that gets paired with 5, 6, 6, 5. So like this point right here is 1, 5. So like this first coordinate here and that first coordinate. The next coordinate is 2, 6. So it connects 2 to 6. And if you wanted to, you could mess around with this and be like, okay, 4 connects to, let's make that a 10 instead of a 5. And then voila, you'll see that it's connecting you to the 4, 10 coordinate. So that's from a list. Once you have these 2 lists, notice I named them X and Y. You can name them whatever you want. If you wanted to name them like B and R, ooh, that's going to be entertaining. Then the polygon, obviously it's not posting right now because it doesn't know where to look for B and R, so I just changed this to B and R, like you're going to the bathroom or something silly, whatever. So that's polygon from list. And then polygon from table. Here you'll notice that I've got all of the coordinates for this polygon in the table. We've got the coordinate 2, 2, so 2, 2. We got the coordinate 1, 5, 1, 5, -1, 4, -1, -4, and then 3, -6 over 3 down to -6. And this doesn't actually make the polygon. This table, all it does is give me those points. To actually make the polygon here, what I needed to do was, hey, polygon, will you look at the list x1, which right here is named x1, and will you look at the list y1, which of course is right here. And just like before, if you wanted to change this and make this like other letters, W and V, cool. Then over here, obviously the polygon is mad now, so it's got this like little mad. I cannot make it from just 2 numbers because it's like what's x1 and y1. But now if I make this W and V, le voila, it will work for you. All of the rest of the screens here are you just kind of playing around with it. So like here, I want you to make it from coordinates. So here's an example. See if you can connect those. Here, I want you to try it with lists. So below here, you're gonna have to add a new list of like K equals straight brackets, 0, -6, -2. etc. And then you're going to eventually have to type in polygon K comma something because I need another list. I only have 1 list right now, but I'd like you to kind of play around with it. So here's your example. And then this will just kind of show you why lists are fun. Eventually, you'll get here, and this is how you do it with the table. So play around with that. Your goal is to be able to make polygons. If you can make polygons, that's great. Any of the rest of stuff right now is pure bonus. So mess around with it, please do, but let me know how I can help. Your job is to be able to make a polygon from coordinates like this, make it from lists like this, and make it from tables like this. Well, let me know how I can help.